5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Okay, I didn't actually have confetti, so I just threw some cotton balls, but it's still very festive because it is almost New Year, you guys. Hi, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston. And as we celebrate going into the new year, we often make resolutions where we decide that we are going to make some good choices. We might resolve to read more or spend more time outdoors or maybe do some more cooking at home, all sorts of different things, whatever you feel like you want to improve on or make more time for. So I'm actually going to show you how you can take a New Year's resolution and turn it into kind of a cute craft that will serve as a reminder of that resolution, not just for the first week or two, but all year round.